Are you struggling to find the right career path? Feeling like your current job doesn't fulfill you? Chances are you are part of the small percent of individuals who are destined to be an entrepreneur. Peace, family. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. And if you're already a loyal subscriber, welcome back. Let's get into the 10 signs you are destined to be an entrepreneur. Number 1, you struggle finding your purpose. Majority of people go to school and have an idea of what career field they want to pursue, but not you. Perhaps in school you changed your major several times, tried different jobs to see what fits, but still you find yourself out of place or feeling like something is missing. The reason is most entrepreneurs don't fit into the mold of the majority. They are meant to create something new. They are the pioneers of the new age, and shrinking themselves to fit into outdated ways of thinking or jobs just don't sit well with them. They will continue to feel restless and unfulfilled until they make that unique idea a reality. Number 2, risk taker. It takes guts to be an entrepreneur, run your own business, and take the path most won't dare to take. The human brain is wired to protect itself from danger, fears, and anything that goes against its comfort zones. Entrepreneurs are people who know that life is full of risks. When you don't take a risk, you risk having regrets. And the biggest risk is one day lying on your deathbed wondering how life passed you by. People who are destined to be entrepreneurs understand that with great risk comes great rewards. Every successful entrepreneur has taken major risks somewhere in their journey, which allowed them to grow and prosper. Number 3, you are a black sheep. If the path was meant to be easy and popular, then everyone would do it. Most entrepreneurs and pioneers are usually the black sheep of society. They think differently than most people and are usually ahead of their time with their genius ideas. Most people laughed at the idea that someday we will be able to stare into a box with moving images. Now we have handheld ones that allow us to connect with people all over the world and watch inspirational videos like this. The reason most entrepreneurs are black sheeps is because they are usually the different one in the family, the rebellious one who finds their own way, the quiet introverted one who is always thinking about ways to improve themselves, society, and the world. Most billionaires of today keep a very small social circle because they understand that when it comes to relationships, it's not the quantity, but the quality that counts the most. Number 4, you are a Jack or Jane of all trades. You are multi-talented and skilled. You have so many things you are good at, but don't know exactly how to apply it. As an entrepreneur, you will find yourself doing multiple things for your business: ad copy, marketing, promotion, sales, customer service, inventory, and that's just scratching the surface. Once you become more established as an entrepreneur, we recommend to outsource and automate. This not only gives you more free time to create, but it also helps you give other people jobs to support themselves and their families. Number 5, you are rebellious. Have you ever felt that the current system of the world is a bit off? Like maybe there is more to life than just going to school or working for someone else your entire life to only be buried in debt? Yeah, we felt that way too. Entrepreneurs come to not only question the current system of the world and job market, but they come to reinvent their own. Most successful entrepreneurs are rebellious because they challenge societal norms and pave the way for many others. Which leads us to our next point. Number 6, you are a natural leader. Have you ever found yourself taking on leadership roles in school, at work, or even in your friendships? Are you usually the person organizing events, initiating ideas at work, and giving solutions to people's problems? Most entrepreneurs are natural-born leaders, which makes them charismatic, magnetic, and influential to all those they come in contact with. People may often seek your advice, take your input seriously, and even trust you with their life. Natural leaders are not bossy. They do not abuse their power, but rather they use it to set an example for others to follow. The world is full of followers and leaders. The majority of the population follow blindly without question, but entrepreneurs do not follow anyone. They pave their own way. Now, this isn't to be confused with getting coaching. All successful entrepreneurs and leaders have advisors and coaches that give them insight, guidance, and tools to equip them towards their goals. Even kings have royal advisors. This is why we are offering one-on-one private business coaching for entrepreneurs that are serious about taking their goals to the next level. Use the coupon code ENTREPRENEUR for 20% off our business coaching services. We put the link in the description for you. Number 7, you are innovative and creative. What makes entrepreneurs different from everyone else? Their creative and innovative minds, of course. Entrepreneurs have a strong sense of curiosity and wonder. This is what allows them to continue to grow and reach heights that most people can't even imagine. Every powerful multi-billion-dollar business started with an idea. Never forget this. Number 8, you love to learn. Most people stop learning after they graduate from school, but not you. You find pleasure in learning new things, taking up new hobbies, and mastering new skills. People who are destined to be entrepreneurs are constantly improving themselves because they know that life is all about growth. When you stop growing, you die. Human beings have unlimited potential and are designed to constantly learn, grow, and evolve. In fact, most successful entrepreneurs read books every day and attend conferences and events with powerful speakers because they understand the invaluable power of knowledge. Number 9, mistakes are lessons, not setbacks. Unlike most people who give up after their first attempts towards success, entrepreneurs understand that one must fail towards their way to success. People who are destined to be entrepreneurs understand that there are lessons to be learned in every mistake and detour. Instead of focusing on an issue and feeling sorry for themselves, entrepreneurs reassess all their missteps and use that as fuel to correct their mistakes and make better choices in the future. There is an old saying that goes, "The only difference between the student and the teacher is that the teacher became wiser by making more mistakes." Number 10, you are a problem solver. Think of any popular brand or business and realize that these businesses became successful by solving a huge problem. We live in a world full of all types of problems, and entrepreneurs have the remedy to fix it. Have skin problems? There's a cream for that. Need to lose weight? There are fitness trainers and health specialists that can help you reach your fitness goals. The list goes on, but you get the idea. The key to becoming a successful entrepreneur is by discovering what big issue society has and how can you implement the solution. Since you made it all the way to the end, here is a bonus. People who are destined to be entrepreneurs are resilient and adaptable. Things change over time, and the businesses who fail are the ones who couldn't adapt to change. The ones who prosper took initiative to study the market and make the necessary changes to remain relevant. Blockbuster got destroyed by Netflix, and yellow taxi services got replaced with Uber. Most people cave at the sign of change, but not you. As a person destined to be an entrepreneur, you welcome change and challenges because this encourages you to think of new creative ideas, to expand, improve, and contribute to a better world. Did you have any of the qualities on the list? If so, tell us which of the signs you resonated with the most. And if you think we missed something, tell us. If you checked off most of the list, comment, "I'm an entrepreneur." If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time.